Welcome to Modern Decor World, where we dive into the best kitchen colors for a modern home and share designer-approved ideas. The kitchen color you choose isn't just a design decision, it's a daily emotional experience. Every single morning, before the coffee is ready and before your brain has fully switched on, the color surrounding you in that kitchen is already affecting your mood, your energy, and even your appetite. Yet most homeowners make this decision by grabbing a paint chip at the hardware store, holding it up to the wall for 30 seconds, and hoping for the best. The result? Kitchens that feel slightly off in a way nobody can quite name. Too cold, too dark, too loud, or, worst of all, completely forgettable. Here's what designers actually understand about kitchen color that most people never learn. Color in a kitchen doesn't just sit on the walls. It interacts with your cabinetry, your countertops, your lighting, and even the food you cook. Getting it right changes the entire feel of your home. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 designer-approved color directions that actually work in modern kitchens. And, honestly, point number 6 will completely change how you think about kitchen color forever. Let's get into it. Sage green, the color that works with everything. Sage green has earned its place as one of the most universally successful kitchen colors in modern design, and it's not hard to understand why. Its muted grey-green tone bridges the gap between warm and cool, pairs beautifully with both brass and black hardware, and brings an organic, natural energy into a space that's fundamentally functional. Warm greige, the color that sells homes. Greige, that perfect blend of warm grey and beige, has become one of the most commercially successful kitchen colors for good reason. It's warm without being yellow, neutral without being cold, and sophisticated without demanding attention. Real estate designers have known for years that a warm greige kitchen makes buyers feel immediately at home, which is exactly the effect every kitchen should create. Soft black, the color that turns a kitchen into a statement. True black kitchens can feel oppressive, but soft black, think warm ebony, deep espresso, or slightly warm near black tones, creates a dramatic, high-contrast environment that photographs spectacularly and feels genuinely luxurious in person. Paired with the right lighting, a soft black kitchen is one of the most striking environments in modern residential design. Warm terracotta is, honestly, the bold move that pays off. Terracotta is having a serious moment in modern kitchens, moving far beyond its 1990s associations into something genuinely contemporary and warm. Applied to walls, tile, or even lower cabinetry, this rich clay tone brings Mediterranean warmth and personality that makes a kitchen feel lived in and inviting, rather than, showroom perfect. Warm white is the sophisticated alternative to stark, bright white. Pure, cold white kitchens had their moment. But in the modern design landscape, warm white has totally taken over as the refined, grown-up alternative. Tones like aged linen, soft cream, and warm ivory carry all the brightness and cleanliness of white, while adding a depth and humanity that stark, clinical white simply cannot deliver. Deep navy. Now that's luxury drama without overwhelming. Navy blue cabinetry has become one of the most requested colors in high-end kitchen design, and for good reason. It reads as deeply sophisticated, pairs strikingly with white marble or light stone countertops, and creates a jewel box effect in the kitchen that no neutral color can match. Quick pause before we go further. If you're already mentally repainting your kitchen while watching this, you are exactly why this channel exists. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button right now. Drop a like on this video and leave me a comment telling me what color your kitchen is currently and what you're dreaming of changing it to. I genuinely read every single comment, and your answers shape exactly what we cover next. Alright, 4 more designer-approved colors to go, and they might be the most surprising ones on the entire list. Dusty blue, calm, collected, and completely timeless. Dusty, muted blue tones bring a serene, coastal-adjacent calm to modern kitchens without veering into the literal nautical territory of brighter blues. This is the color that feels equally at home in a city apartment and a countryside retreat, working beautifully with white, natural wood and both warm and cool metal finishes. Charcoal grey, the modern neutral that never dates. While lighter greys have come and gone as trends, deep charcoal remains a permanent fixture in sophisticated kitchen design. It grounds the space with a quiet authority, makes hardware and fixtures pop dramatically, and creates a sense of solidity and permanence that lighter palettes can, sometimes struggle to achieve. Muted olive, the color that makes everything around it look better. Muted olive green occupies this fascinating space in the color spectrum. It's warm enough to feel organic, dark enough to feel sophisticated, and neutral enough to let everything else in the kitchen shine. It pairs extraordinarily well with raw wood, aged brass, and natural stone, making it, honestly, one of the most versatile kitchen colors available to a modern homeowner. Two-tone cabinetry, the rule-breaking move designers love. Here's the idea that completely changes how you think about kitchen color. You don't have to choose just one. Two-tone kitchens, darker lower cabinets paired with lighter upper cabinets, or a boldly colored island contrasted against neutral perimeter cabinetry, give you the depth and visual interest of a daring color without committing the entire kitchen to it. This is, hands down, the move designers use most often to make a kitchen feel custom and considered. And there are your 10 designer-approved kitchen color directions, each one capable of transforming not just how your kitchen looks, but how it genuinely feels to be inside it every single day. The most important lesson from all of this isn't which specific color you should choose. It's that every color decision in a kitchen is actually a mood decision, and you deserve a kitchen that puts you in the right one. So, tell me, which of these 10 colors is speaking to you right now for your own kitchen? Drop it in the comments, because I read every single one, and your answer could shape next week's video entirely. If this helped you finally see a direction for your kitchen that actually excites you, subscribe so you never miss what's coming next. Hit like to help someone else stuck in a kitchen color they've never loved, and I will see you in the next video, where we are breaking down the kitchen layout mistake that's making even beautifully colored kitchens feel wrong.